Machiegni kendo, ji adek oyudi gi tuo mar guonyo mar Mpox e gweng' ma Chakalini mayudore Lugari e kaunti ma Kakamega. Kaluwore gi gavana ma Kakamega Fernandes Baraza, ji adekgo kamoting'o jal moro ma jahigni 52, miyo moro ma ende noa Nairobi kaachiel kod ng'at machielo mawuok e gwengego oket kar kendgi e kar thieth ma Chakalini. Baraza oyango ni wede ji 6 manyo oseromo kodgi bende ogeng'negi kuom ndalo 21 komedo jiwo jopiny mondo ne ni gibedo mokichore mar gayo landruok ma tuono.
What I want to assure the public is we have upscaled our surveillance and contact tracing across the county. At the same time, we have also expanded the isolation capacity at the Kakamega County Referral Hospital, at the Lumakanda Sub-County Hospital in Lugari, and the Chakalini Isolation Center. Just for purposes of the public caution, I want to reiterate on the fact that this Mpox disease is contagious, and the symptoms are fever, body rashes, and sore throats. So in case any of your family members or yourselves you experience fever and you have body rashes and sore throats, please ensure that you visit the nearest health center or clinic for purposes of checking and also for making sure that we prevent this disease.